Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. In this video, I want to show how to grow decorative sage from seeds at home. I hope the video will be interesting for you. Sage is not only a medicinal plant, but also an ornamental, beautiful bush that can decorate your garden. Usually sage is a perennial, so if you grow sage from seeds, the plant will decorate flower beds and mixboarders for many years. Sage needs warmth. It does not tolerate frost well, so you need to carefully select a variety of sage before sowing seeds or planting in the soil. I live in Winter Hardiness Zone 5B, and already have in the garden sage, which I also grew from seed and which has adapted perfectly to the climatic conditions in my garden. Look how beautiful this plant is. Last year, in the fall, I also planted another sage bush. This is the ornamental sage, caradonna. And finally, this year I decided to grow ornamental sage from seeds. Sowing sage seeds is better to start at the end of February. That already in late April, early May, the plant could be planted in the garden. Sage has large seeds, they germinate well. I use peat, acidity level 6 to 6, 5. The temperature for germination of sage seeds should be about +20 +25 degrees Celsius, or 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. After about 7 to 10 days, the first sage seedlings appeared. 30 days after sowing, as soon as 2 to 3 true leaves appeared, I made transplanting of small sage plants into separate plastic cups filled with neutral peat with 10% agro-perlite. after transplanting, you need to water the plants with warm water with the addition of hay bacterium or other fungicide. Sage does not tolerate fungal infections well, and the plant may die. It is therefore important to protect young plants and use a water solution of fungicide for watering every 10 to 15 days. In the second decade of May, as soon as the threat of return frosts was gone, I planted young sage plants in the garden, and now they decorate my mix border. In my winter hardiness zone 5B, it is also possible to sow sage seeds in open soil in late April. The seeds are usually placed 1 inch or 2 centimeters apart. In early June, you should plant these sage seedlings in a permanent location. The best soil for sage is a not very light soil, rich in lime. For a good effect, it is better to plant the plants about 10 to 12 inches apart. This way you will get a beautiful border and gorgeous blooms. Sage care. 1. Pruning. This should be done after flowering. I usually cut off 1/3 of the stems. After pruning, sage bushes will form flower stalks again in 10 to 14 days. Two. Watering. Sage is a drought-tolerant plant, but regular watering will ensure beautiful blooms. Three. Fertilization. To get powerful, beautiful bushes of sage, need regular feeding with complex mineral fertilizers. Four. Sage in landscape design. Sage is the best companion for roses, dahlias, ornamental onions, peonies. The plant looks perfect in border plantings at the border of flower beds. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Don't forget to give a thumbs up below this video. See you soon!